Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jory, and if you didn't know that, now you do. Hi, hello. Nice to meet you. So for today's video, I was thinking about what video I should make, and then I got distracted because I was going to work, and I was like, let me stop by McDonald's for their $1 drink days deal. Really great deals. Medium, small iced coffee for $1, right? What's a better deal than that? But I was like, you work at Subway, but you don't even eat fresh. So I was like, you know what? Let us try to make a green juice for a new video. So well, there you go, here's a video to make green juice. Disclaimer though, if you're like a healthy banana freely type of girl, click off this video now because this is not the way to go. Okay, but other than that, let's get started. Alright you guys, so I was gonna show you what my fridge looked like, but that was a whole other story, so we're not even gonna go there. Alright you guys, so I needed something to sweeten my green juice, but there wasn't really anything in my fridge that was sweet and healthy. So I went to my backyard and we are gonna pick some fresh apples, green apples, to put in our green smoothie. Alright you guys, so I am back from my little mini green shopping, and I brought back some pretty healthy stuff, so here's a montage of them. Okay, I was gonna do, yeah, cucumber. Okay, we're not gonna have a montage for this one, but cucumber. Alright you guys, so now that you guys have seen all of the ingredients, we are just gonna blend them all together and do a little taste test, I guess. But first I have to chop the apple and chop the cucumber, and then yeah. Guys, so I have cut up my apples and my cucumbers, and now all my ingredients are ready to go in the blender, so let's do it. Should I go coconut or almond? Let's do both. Subway, you can sponsor me now. McDonald's too, I'll throw this away for you. Okay, whoa. Oh my god. Okay, this is actually my first time making a green smoothie. Like, not gonna lie, I've made other smoothies before, but never a green one. And this looks freaking amazing. Alright, you guys, so I am back and I just grabbed a green straw to match my green smoothie. And I also grabbed this Cliff protein bar, which is the crunchy peanut butter one, 70% organic ingredients. That's delicious. Alright guys, so I'm just at a new location. I'm just at my table because I cleaned up what I did back there. I made kind of a big mess, but let's go try our new smoothie. So like I said, I got a matching green straw. This isn't one of those reusable straws. Does anybody have a Twizzler? No? Alright, cool. We're not using a straw. Alright guys, so we are now gonna open it up and we're gonna try it. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty delicious. Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? It's done. It's over. That tastes really good. It's not too like vegetably, but you really do get a taste of like that refreshing cucumber in there, and you also get like a hint of like the sweetness of the apple. Also you also get a hint of like, not a hint, like a lot of hint. You basically get the full answer sheet on the spinach. There's also a bit of crunch to the spinach. I guess it's the spinach because I'm seeing like spinach bits in here, but it's pretty good, not gonna lie. Alright guys, so Health Freak is now exiting the building. This was such a good challenge, but yeah, I gotta head to work soon. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. If you guys ever try the green juice, make sure to tell me how it goes. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and follow me on Twitter. I do follow back and we can be, you know, best friends, right? Also, don't forget to subscribe because this video was pretty lit.